Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this no-code platform, which is Thunkable. So to dive into it, talking about Thunkable is a no-code platform that makes it easy to create mobile app for both iOS and Android without any coding skills. It offers a simple drag and drop interface, live app review, and access to native features like GPS, camera, and APIs. This makes it a great option for beginners, students, and small business owners who want to quickly build and publish apps without the complexity of coding. It's also useful for rapid prototyping since you can test ideas and launch app faster compared to traditional development. So on the downside, Thunkable can feel limited for more advanced users since customization options are restricted and performance isn't always as smooth as fully native app. So you can't export source code, which make it harder to scale app outside the platform. So pricing also may be a drawback too, as the free plan is quite limited and higher tier plan can get expensive in over time. So in conclusion, Thunkable is good choice if you want a beginner-friendly way to create app quickly, but if you need advanced features or more control alternative like Flutterflow or Hadolo might be a better choice for you. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.